10 apples up on ton. By Dr. Seuss. One apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look you. I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. 3, I see, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Look, see now. I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you too. See here, you too. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good, I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. Five, 6, 7, fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. And now, see here. 8 on top, 8 apples up, not one will drop. 8, and we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. 'But I can do 9. And hop, and drink, you cannot do this, I think. We can do it too, see here. We are as good as you. We all are very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. 9 is very good. But then, come on and we will make it 10. Look out, I see a mop. I will make the apples full. Get out. You, one and all. Come on, come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. They will get them if we let them. Come, we cannot let them get them. Look out! The mop, the mop, the mop. You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop, not one. Come on, come on. Come one, come all. We have to make the apples full. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples, apples up on top. All of this must stop. Stop, stop. Now all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Look, 10 apples on us all. What fun! We will not let them fall. And that's the fun of Dr. Seuss stories that make you giggle, rhyme, and read again and again, just like the cat in the hat. These beginner books keep every child smiling and learning, one page at a time.